a feature called Connected Mode, which allows the user to bridge environments and update harness information. The electrical panel here in Solid Edge is partially completed. However, it is being driven by a number of schematics. Once Connected Mode is active, a Cross-Select function allows for the bidirectional highlighting of wires and components. Selecting a component in the Solid Edge 3D model highlights it in the schematic and vice versa. A quick bridge out from wiring design allows us to import the wires into the Solid Edge model by using the Update Harness command. The Harness Import wizard then identifies the wires that will be imported. This adds the two new wires to the assembly. Selections again cross-highlight between the electrical and mechanical environments. The mechanical engineer can then route the wires in the assembly through cable trays and so on. During the synchronization, all the wire properties were carried over. Any further changes to the properties are also synchronized. For instance, if the color of a wire is changed in the schematic, the Update Harness command can be run again to update the changes in the 3D model. Of course, the calculated lengths of wires can also be back-annotated into wiring design so that simulations remain accurate. The wires can also be represented as their physical size. Reports are just a click away, as we can see here with the creation of a design wire list. Many standard reports are available, and custom ones can also be created. Looking at a 3D harness design, a completed manufacturing drawing needs to be created before this harness can go into production. Using Connected Mode, this information can be bridged through into Solid Edge harness design to generate manufacturing detail. Various options control how the harness is flattened and brought through into the 2D environment, as well as whether names and